On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have bird's eye garlic chicken. It says it has grilled white meat chicken and pasta in a garlic sauce with broccoli, carrots, and corn. Well, we're going to see what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Serving size, 1 cup. Calories, 220. Total fat, 7 grams. Saturated fat, 1 gram. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 10 milligrams. Sodium, 580 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 28 grams. Dietary fiber, 3 grams. Total sugars, 7 grams. Protein, 13 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is pretty similar to the box, I must say. One thing I noticed for a fact is that there are a lot of carrots in this dish, a lot more than I expected. You see quite a few on the bag, but not as many as you see in real life. I mean, look at all those carrots, and I'm not really a carrot person, so I might be picking out some of these carrots. As far as the pasta looks the same, the chicken looks brown, it looks real, it looks just like the bag actually. So I think they did a really good job. The broccoli also looks like the bag. You can see everything in there, little pieces of corn. It really did a good job. One thing I noticed on the box, it says it has a garlic sauce, which on the bag you don't see sauce on the dish. And you also don't see it on here either, so I'm be interested to see if it actually tastes like a garlic sauce is on here. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. It looks like the bag. Smells pretty good. Definitely smell the carrots, that's for sure. Smell the broccoli. I don't really smell much garlic though. I mean, it smells edible. It doesn't smell great, to be honest. It smells like a frozen meal a little bit. Not a lot, but it definitely smells like a frozen meal. pretty good. The chicken is dry. Man, this is hard to swallow. I don't taste any kind of sauce. I do taste a little bit of garlic flavor, but not a lot. The pasta, let me take another bite. That's the pasta. Yeah, there's not much flavor in this dish at all. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna finish eating this one. The chicken's dry, the pasta's dry, not much flavor. Let me taste a piece of broccoli with some corn on it. And the broccoli tastes good, and the corn tastes good. I don't think I can just pick out the broccoli though and just eat that by itself. I'd definitely still be hungry. I would say eat this if you just have absolutely nothing else in your freezer to eat and you're starving. And this will satisfy you, but you're not gonna be like happy or overjoyed that you're eating it, but you will not be hungry. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 5. Next up is taste. 6. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 8. Boo! Boo! Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? Please hit that notification bell right now. And if there is a food product that you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will show you what it looks like. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.